Hi, I'm Lexi, and welcome to my garage, where I do DIY car repair and other fun projects. In today's episode, I'm going to program 2 remote transmitters for a 2002 Ford Mustang. If you've ever lost one of these, you can easily buy one at your local auto parts store, and it only takes a few minutes to set up. This is such an easy fix. To program, I'll be using the original coded key and the remote transmitter specific to my vehicle. You can program up to 4 transmitters. All the remote transmitters must be programmed at the same time. Okay, let's head over to the car. Start by placing the coded key in the ignition and turn the key from the lock position to off. Then cycle between off and on 8 times within 10 seconds, ending the 8th time in on. If successfully completed, you should hear the doors lock and unlock to confirm programming mode. Within 20 seconds, press any button on the first transmitter. After you press the transmitter, the door locks will cycle open-close. Then within the next 20 seconds, press any button on the next transmitter. Repeat this step until all transmitters have been pressed. Once all transmitters have been pressed, turn the ignition to off. If successfully completed, the door lock should cycle one last time to confirm programming. Test your transmitters. If they don't work, restart the procedure again. That's all there is to it. I'm so glad you stopped by today. You can contact me on my social media anytime. I love hearing about your latest DIY projects and always welcome your questions and comments. I look forward to hearing from you.